Posting jobs, screening candidates, and adding new hires to payroll often means bouncing between 3 or 4 different tools. Recruiting in Workforce Premium and Elite keeps all of it in one place, from the first job posting to the first paycheck. In this video, we'll walk through how to create a job posting with screening questions. Then we'll track applicants through the hiring pipeline, including ordering a background check, and carry their info straight into onboarding and payroll. Before posting a job, set up recruiting so every posting reflects the business. Go to Team, then Recruiting, and select Recruiting Settings from the Actions menu. Select the pencil for job posting info to add the company logo, reasonable accommodations contact info, and privacy policy link. These appear on every job posting. Under Hiring Pipeline, select the pencil to customize the automated actions that run at each stage. Expand a stage to review its actions, add new ones, or pause existing ones from the Manage menu. Back in Recruiting, the main page lists all active and past job postings. To duplicate a previous posting, find the job in the list and select Duplicate from the Actions menu. To create a new posting from scratch, select Create Job Posting. First, fill in the job details by completing the position, pay details, and job description sections. For a head start on the description, select Generate Description to draft one with AI. Under Compliance and Disclosures, the reasonable accommodations contact info from Recruiting Settings fills in automatically. Add the optional EEO statement and privacy policy link if needed. Select Save and Continue or Save as Draft to finish later. Next, customize the application form. Candidate name, phone number, and email address are collected by default. For each additional item like resume or cover letter, choose Mandatory, Optional, or Do Not Show. Under Compliance Questions, include the EEOC and federal contractor statements as required. To learn more about applicants up front, select Add Screening Question, then choose Written Response or Multiple Choice. Use Written Response for open-ended, free-form answers. For multiple choice, enter the question and add answer options. Check Allow Multiple Selections to let candidates choose more than one, and toggle on the Knockout option for any answer that should automatically reject a candidate. Select Save and Continue. By default, the hiring team includes the person creating the posting. To include additional people, select Add Team Member, then search for and select a user. Keep at least one team member on the list. Select Save and continue to review the full posting. To automatically post to a job board, like ZipRecruiter, check Post this job in the Automated Job Posting section. Select Preview Public Job Page to see what candidates will see, and copy the job link for sharing. When everything looks right, select Publish Job. The posting is now live. Copy the shareable link from this screen to post in emails, social posts, or anywhere else candidates might look. To grab the link later, go back to Recruiting, find the job, and select Share from the Actions menu. From the candidate's side, opening the link shows the full job details. Selecting Apply Now opens the application. After entering their info and answering the screening questions, they submit the application. Everything flows directly into Recruiting for the hiring team to review. The main Recruiting page shows each job posting along with its total candidate count. Select a posting to see the full list, then select a candidate to open their profile. The candidate summary uses AI to pull key details from the resume and match them against the job's qualifications. Scroll through the profile to see work history, education, screening question responses, and application materials. To update or remove candidate information, select Actions, then Edit Profile or Delete. To move a candidate to the next stage of the hiring pipeline, select Move Candidate, choose the stage, add notes if helpful, then select Save. Work through the hiring process, and at the verification stage, order background checks through a partner like Checker. Select Sign In to connect an existing account, or create new account to set one up. When the candidate is ready to hire, open their profile in Recruiting. The Timeline tab shows the full candidate journey, from application through every stage change. To hire the candidate, select Move Candidate, choose Hire, select the employment type, then select Save. Enter the hire date and choose whether to have the new hire complete their own onboarding in QuickBooks Workforce. The candidate's info flows directly into onboarding, pre-filling personal and work details so the hiring team can finish setup and run the first paycheck. Now you're ready to set up and use recruiting to hire your next team member.